With two back-to-back drops from renowned action camera manufacturers DJI and GoPro, the world has been finally officially introduced to the newest addition in the family, DJI Osmo Action 3 and GoPro Hero 11. Having been released apart from each other with only an hour gap, DJI Osmo Action 3 and GoPro Hero 11 obviously have some massive shoes to fill. The DJI Osmo Action 3 adopts the design of the Action 2 with a satisfying blend of the original action cam while including a few unique updates to make it stand out. A removable lens as well as a front-facing touchscreen is now here alongside sliding doors to the left and right, while the base holds a magnetic mounting connector for landscape mounting with an additional horizontal vertical protective frame that wraps around the camera for you to achieve those tall, TikTok-ready shots in a flash. For GoPro, you get a tough and resilient camera that's waterproof down to 10 meters without a case, a 1.4-inch front LCD with enhanced frame rate, courtesy of the GP2 processor, and the usual old-school 2.27-inch rear touchscreen. For the footage quality, if you're familiar with the DJI Action 2, you pretty much know what to expect by now. With the same camera characteristics, the Action 3 isn't exactly the best in class when compared to the GoPro Hero 11 Black, but it's far from the worst. With proper and bright lighting conditions, the Action 3 can easily shoot sharp and vibrant footage up to 4K resolution that has a stunning FOV at 155 degrees. However, the camera can struggle a bit to prioritize faces and misses out on some details when compared to Hero 11. More frames combined with the wider 155 FOV means it's comparatively harder to expose the image properly, which can push a lot of users away. You also get horizon leveling, which would have been an amazing feature if Hero 11 did not have its own 360-degree leveling, but more on that later. There are 3 microphones that capture clean sound while eliminating background noises quite well, even more so than the GoPro 11, especially when you're working outdoors. But here's the big news. GoPro Hero 11 decided to bring out the big guns by providing a 10-bit color mode. Being the very first action cam to implement this, Hero 11 will allow for a plethora of raw post-processing right from the get-go, which is by no means a small feat. Some minor tweaks and adjustments such as a boosted bitrate of the camera to 120 Mbps are also there, which gives it a higher ceiling to film complex scenarios. You can now shoot 24.7 megapixel frame grab straight from the camera's 5.3K 8x7 video while gaining the ability to shoot time warp time lapses in stunning 5.3K resolution. Overall, the Hero 11 provides a fine-tuned default setting in order to provide more natural footage without tinkering with the options. Finally, you'll be getting Horizon Lock and Hyper Smooth, which plays a bigger role to create videos you cannot shoot anywhere else yet. For features, the GoPro Hero 11 comes with a larger 1x1.9-inch sensor that comes with an 8x7 aspect ratio that'll allow you to shoot comparatively better vertical videos. GoPro also features a 10-bit color mode that'll make the video editors out there have a field day, since it'll give them a ton of options regarding color grading and more. You're also getting the Horizon Lock feature, which is more than a welcome addition while not being relatively new. DJI Osmo Action 3 on the other hand brings a comparatively comfortable and smooth touch interface with fewer software flourishes than the competition, making it easier to use. Heat management has also seen some levels of improvement, making this a very nice upgrade from its predecessor. In terms of protection, the Hero 11 Black is physically the same GoPro we know and love, with a camera that's waterproof down to 10 meters without a case. As for DJI Osmo Action 3, they can actually dive a bit deeper than their competition, being waterproof up to 16 meters. In terms of battery, GoPro Hero 11 boasts a 1720 mAh battery, while the DJI Osmo Action 3 performs pretty similarly by providing up to 90 minutes while shooting at 4K. All things considered, if you're a social media workhorse, you cannot go wrong with the GoPro Hero 11 since it raises the bar even higher than its predecessor and is one of the most versatile Hero model cams ever, all thanks to the new sensor that allows you to work with videos that have various aspect ratios to post across a wide range of social media platforms. But if you're a bit of an outdoor enthusiast and prefer quick mounting and the widest angle available in the market, we would definitely recommend the DJI Osmo Action 3. So, which one of these two brand new action cams feel like the right pick for you? Do let us know in the comment section down below, as we would love to hear from you. And as for everything else, don't forget to like, share, subscribe, and hit the bell icon if you want more content like this on your feed.